Dear students, welcome to the practical class. Here presenting myself, Sonia Yasmin, lecturer, Department of Agriculture, Milestone College. First of all, you have to know that you have your practical khata, and in your practical khata, on the front page, index page is given, and nextly, the images of this practical experiment are given on the right side, but no images or no any written documents cannot given in the left side. So students, you have to follow this strict.
Welcome to Milestone College. Today I am going to discuss about one experiment of class 11 and 12. First of all, you have to know about the name of the experiment. Here is the name of the experiment. These are a nearby agricultural research institute demonstration report submission. I can again say the name of the experiment is a nearby agricultural research institute demonstration report submission. Here, two things you should remember that one is Agricultural Research Institute and another is report submission. Two items are there in this experiment. So, two part is divided in this experiment. Now, here are the equipments which are most helpful to run out this experiment. What are the equipments? Number 1, prospects of specific organization. Number 2, transportation. Number 3, timetable of observation. Number 1, prospects of specific organization. Number 2, transportation. Number 3, timetable of observation. Now it's time to say what are the steps of work regarding on this experiment. First of all, number 1, you have to collect name of Agricultural Research Institute Center near my college. Which Agricultural Research Institute Center is situated in near my college. The name of this institution should be minded. And number 2, selected the Agricultural Research Center after knowing the activities of it. What are the activities of this institute? So you have to select the Agricultural Research Center after knowing the activities of it. Number 3, gave a letter to the research center informing objective, date, number of students. Objective, date and number of students. So you have to give a letter to this institution, because if do not have give any letter, this institution they are not informed with this experiment, and they are not informed with the number of students, objectives and date. So you have to give a letter. Number 4, present at due time and date. Present at due time. So you have to come out at due time and date. You have to present at due time and date. Now, number 5, collected information from the owner or representative of the organization. Collected information. The owner or representative of the organization should collect the information from them. Number 6, visited the place and collected information from the selected representative. Visited the research institution, that place, and collected information from the selected representative. Number 7, described the collected information with the help of the teacher after observation. You have to describe the collected information and after observation with the help of the teacher. Number 8, on the basis of the information, observation. Number 8, on the basis of the information, observation. Number 9, take help of teacher. Now, you have to consider the precaution to on regarding on this experiment. You have to consider the precaution on regarding of this experiment. Number 1, first of all, had worn specific dress on specific day for observation. Number 2, behaved well with the employees of the organization. You have to behave well with the employees which have been working there for long days. So you have to behave well with the employees of the organization. Number 3, followed rules of the organization. Rules are followed by you of the organization. Number 4, didn't destroy anything of the organization. Didn't destroy anything of the organization. These are the questions. And now, first part has been finished. Now the second part of this organization experiment, that is observation report. You have to go to the visit to the Agriculture Research Institute, and finally you have to prepare an observation report. Some points are there which are important for preparing the observation report. First of all, number 1, name of organization, Bangladesh Agriculture Research Institute. Date of observation. You have to go to the institute and you have to note down the date of going there. Number 3, date of establishment of organization, 1958. Number 4, address of organization, Joydepur, Gazipur. Number 5, activities of organization. Does every agriculture research activities. Every agriculture research activities are done by this organization. Number 6, number and name of departments, 27 wheat varieties research, vegetable research, etc. Now number 7, number of research center, 64. Number of research center, 64. Number 8, invented technologies of organization. Invented technologies of organization, formalin identification hits recently. Soil humidity experiment. Formalin identification hits recently. Soil humidity experiment. Number 9, number of employees, 2000. Number 10, number of farmers, 90. These are the points of observation report. And number 11 is present activities of farms. Present activities. Salt and drought tolerant plant production. Salt and drought tolerant plant production. Number 12. Future activities of farm. Infant, new and necessary management. Infant, new and necessary management. Number 13. It's time to say comment. Good management. Good management was there in the research institution. This is all about observation report, and this is all about the parts of observation report. Now it's time to say goodbye. Thanks to all for being patient hearing.